Hello everyone and happy Monday! Dear entomologists, today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. This week we will begin studying spiders. Spiders are arachnids. They are not insects. An arachnid has 8 legs. Other than having 8 legs, what other ways are spiders different than insects? Let's find out. Today we will look at what makes a spider and learn some facts about them. Some people are afraid of spiders, but we don't have to be. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So I have a video I want to show you called Don't Be Afraid of Spiders.
Hi guys, we just came across this spider web. Look how pretty it is. You might know some kids or adults that get kind of nervous or even afraid around spiders. In fact, one of our 4-year-old viewers is kind of afraid of spiders too, but she knew exactly what to do. She wrote us and said, I want to learn about scary spiders so that I'm not afraid of them anymore. That's a great attitude. Knowledge is power. So let's all see what we can discover about spiders. One thing that you should know is that spiders have a really important job to do. They eat lots of small little insects like mosquitoes, gnats, and houseflies. So if spiders weren't around to do their jobs, then there would be a lot more of these pesky insects around. Speaking of insects, some people think that spiders are a kind of insect, but that's not true. You might remember how you can tell an insect from other kinds of animals. Insects have 6 legs, and they have 3 main body parts, a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Plus, they sometimes have other body parts too, like wings to help them fly around, and antennae to sense their surroundings. Now, spiders are different in a lot of ways. For one thing, they only have 2 body parts. They have an abdomen, but instead of having a head and a thorax, they have just one other body part, with the 2 put together, called a cephalothorax. And maybe the easiest way to spot a spider is that they always have 8 legs, and they don't have wings or antennae. Here's another fun fact about spiders. Spiders have different kinds of eyes than insects do. Insects have really complicated eyes, called compound eyes. They're made up of thousands of little lenses that work together so the insect can see. But spiders have simple eyes with just one lens, just like you and I do. So you actually have something in common with spiders. But if you've ever seen a picture of a spider up close, you might have noticed that spiders have more than 2 eyes. Most of them have 8 eyes. One kind of 8-eyed spider is called the jumping spider. These spiders have some of the best vision of any spider in the world. Their 8 eyes make them able to see almost the whole way around their bodies. But jumping spiders do something else very well too, and I bet you can guess what it is. They jump! Some of these spiders can jump up to 50 times the length of their own bodies. If you could do that, you'd be able to jump over 12 cars in a single leap. But these spiders are careful jumpers. They always stick a piece of silk called a drag line to whatever they're jumping from. So if they happen to miss what they're jumping for, they won't fall. Clever spiders. Jumping spiders are quite smart and really kind of cute, but they don't do something that lots of other spiders do. They don't spin fancy webs. For the most beautiful webs around, you should keep an eye out for spiders known as orb weavers. The word orb means round, and that's the shape we see in an orb weaver's web. A nice, pretty circle. The silk that orb weavers and other spiders use to make their webs comes from special body parts called spinnerets. Most spiders have 6 of these spinnerets, and they use them to spin different kinds of silk. Each kind is for a different job. Some of the silk that orb weavers use is sticky, so when an insect flies into its web, it gets caught in these threads. But orb weavers also make a silk that isn't sticky. When they want to walk around on their own webs, they keep their 8 feet on those special threads. Then the spider can get to its prey and wrap it up in another kind of silk until it's ready to eat it. Now that you know more about them, we hope you feel better about our friends, the spiders. So the next time you see a spider, take a few minutes to watch it so you can learn more about it. You can also learn more by reading books and, of course, asking questions. Thanks for joining me on SciShow.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. So spiders. And she talked about a few ways they're different than insects, so let's review that. Insects versus spiders. Insects have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and 2 antennae. But spiders have 8 legs, 2 body parts, and they don't have antennae. And those were just some of the many ways that she mentioned they were different. So let's label the parts of a spider. You have the spinnerets, the eyes, fangs, hair, so their body is kind of covered with hair, abdomen, thorax, and legs. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Spiders have 8 legs. Most spiders have 8 eyes. However, most do not see very well with them. Spiders live on every continent in the world except Antarctica. Spiders usually eat insects and other spiders. Spiders use their fangs to inject venom into their prey. Spider webs are made to help catch prey. When a spider leaves his web, it becomes a cobweb. Birds, frogs, monkeys, and lizards are predators of spiders. That means those animals eat spiders. Most spiders are harmless to humans. Some, like the black widow, can inject venom into humans and hurt them. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. I hope you all have a fantastic day.